try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in.
Hello everyone. Today I've come down to the Roman bridge, as you can see behind me. It's in Glen Lyon. From the turnoff at Fortingall, it's about 2.5, 2.6 mile. It's where you can park. Not a lot of parking places in this place, so during the weekend it can get very, very busy. I can see the bridge behind me. Fantastic bridge with a waterfall coming down. Legend has it that the Romans built it over 300 years ago. How true that is, I don't know. Yeah, there is a shot from the other side, so that you don't have to walk over the bridge, the sway bridge, away down the field a bit. However, whenever I looked at it, in my opinion, the overhanging trees were getting into the shot. I wasn't getting the composition that I was really coming here for. So it's easy enough, only a 5-minute walk up the field, and I'm going to get a few shots here and see what I can come up with.
It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like.
Now I've decided to take this shot on portrait mode because it's a really up and down vertical shot. It's using a 24-70. I've got a 16-35 in case I'm going to get even closer. Bloody rain's on, so I'm going to have to work very, very, very fast. The whole idea of this here particular shot is not to have any sky in it. So as when it comes to filters, I won't be using, well, at the moment it doesn't look as if I'll be using any grads. In fact, because the light is coming down a fair bit, I'm going to put a 0.6 medium grad on, as well as a 3-stop. So I'll get my grad ready. I'm going to have to be wiping the lens a lot. Now I'm going to be putting a 3-stop on, just to try and slow that water down a little bit. F11. Let's see, using the shutter speed and the ISO. If we get the ISO down far enough, may blur it as well. Good thing is about the Nikon, it's easy enough to use your ISO and the shutter speed, so you don't always have to. Let's see what that there looks without anything on it. That's looking pretty okay. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's with before I put any filters on. Get rid of these glasses so I can see better. Going to have to move pretty fast. So 3-stop. Going to slow it down just ever so slightly. Oh, put the lock on, new leaf filter, put the lock back on once I put my grad in. So always put my ND filter on first of all. Where's my medium grads? 0.6 medium grad. That'll go in front. Is it making a difference? Yeah, slight difference. Now, what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to probably wait until this drizzle's gone. I'll dry these filters off in a moment. Should have brought the umbrella, but I didn't. Yeah, the shots are not looking too bad. So I'm going to dry these filters off and wait for the rain, the drizzle to come off. And I'll probably be editing these here shots in Luminar 2018 because there's a lot of lichen, a lot of moss on the rocks, and it's Luminar 2018. I found that you've got more control over your filter side of things than you do have in Lightroom or Photoshop itself. So going to get this set down and wait for the rain to stop. Well, the drizzle, it's coming off and on every few minutes. I'm going to try and push on and try and get a shot that is worthy. It's what I'm doing with this here. I'm focus stacking it's this here particular location for this particular image. I'm going to focus on the rocks in front of me and then the bridge itself, and then up at the top. And then I'll be letting Photoshop actually do the focus stacking part, and then straight into Luminar. Now I've been drying these filters off, on and off, trying to get a shot. As I said, quick focus stack, 3 focus positions. It's up to yourself as you focus stack where you make the positions, but really the way I do it is front, center and rear, and then Photoshop I'll do the magic. I'm gonna head back now. It doesn't look as if this weather is going to change. It's closing in pretty fast. Hopefully I'll be able to get something out of it. As it says, I'll be editing, focus stack in Photoshop, Luminar 2018. I'm going to have to probably process image more than I really would like to. It's going to depend how much spots is going to be on there. It's always worthwhile bringing a cloth for these here conditions. Happen a lot in Scotland. You just have to be prepared for it. But at least you now know that this location exists. It's not hard to get from. As I said, 2.526 miles from Fortingall T junction. It's on the road to the Praying Hand, but a lot of people actually miss it. So definitely worthwhile a stop here if you're passing by. Thank you for watching.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.